Hello guys, good morning from Ahmedabad. All set, excited. It is 6:30 in the morning. We were supposed to leave by 6, but then it's okay. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, it's always up and down. So yeah, just waiting for Sachin to come. He's supposed to come with his parents. They are coming to see him off. So I'm just waiting for him. Once he arrives and then we'll leave. Do not have breakfast yet. We are planning. My bike is all set, by the way. Oh, I'll have to show you the side profile. Wait. Alright, so bike all set up. It took me 15 minutes to set up my bike. Helmet is ready, clean and wiped. And I'm ready too. Full of energy and excitement. Just waiting for Sachin. As long as he comes, we'll ride out. Finally, भाई आ गया. 1.5 hour late. तेरी कंप्लेंट कर रहा हूँ. 1.5 hour late. कान पकड़ रहा है हेलमेट में. चलो सचिन के मॉम डैड भी आ गए ये सामने कार में टू सी हिम ऑफ. चलो गाइस, आई लॉग आउट फ्रॉम द फोन. अभी गोप्रो में मिलेंगे, पेट्रोल भर देंगे पहले एक स्टॉप और फिर नॉन स्टॉप. या एक्साइटेड. चलो फटाफट सी ऑफ करके देख कहाँ है डैड है क्या. हाँ चलो भाई यहाँ पे जाते हैं अभी. आपको सीधा एक्शन कैमरा पे है ना, पेट्रोल भर के फिर रास्ते से व्लॉगिंग चालू करेंगे. Chalo guys, bye bye. Okay, so finally Sachin and I are on the move and out of the city. We have hit the highway, the national highway. The time is around 8 o'clock. So it's been about half an hour. We left at 7:30. Now our next stop is going to be breakfast around 10 or 10:30, or let's see, wherever we find a nice place or whenever we get tired. So he's on his Tram 400X Scrambler and we will be exchanging bikes. So let's see how it rides. I will get an experience today. I won't miss the opportunity. Finally we filtered out all the traffic. This is still manageable, what you see in front of me. It's not cold. Yes, the air is cool, but not cold and not chilly. It's not killing. Bearable and nice weather. But so far so good. Enjoying the ride. Good start. Okay, finally first toll is here. Roads are good so far. I hope I get these kind of roads right till the end, which is not possible, but yeah, most of is going to be the same. Bike looks cool, man. Just waiting to ride it. Awesome. Sun shining, empty roads, and a rider buddy. What a combination. Oh my god, where did these trucks come from here? So many trucks. Front of me, check it out. Behind me in the mirror, check it out. What a pace we were riding at, man. And we had to brake because of these trucks. Mumbai is 437, Surat is 154. So next stop is going to be Surat. We are not tired yet. Alright. So this is where we have decided to take a break. And why is Sachin calling me? हाँ भाई, हाँ वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तेरे को. मैंने बोला स्पेशली मेरे को लेफ्ट में नहीं जाने का. ये देख मेरे बाजू में खड़ा के मेरे को कॉल कर रहा है. नहीं एक ब्रेक लेके निकलते ना, चाय पी के निकलते ना. और क्या करना है, हैवी तो कुछ खाना नहीं है. और ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. ठीक है. So I was saying we have planned to take a break over here. I did not want to go specially cross the road and go that side. You see, there's KFC and McDonald's and everything, but I didn't want to go cross the road and go. So this is Hotel Navjeevan. This is where we have decided to take a break, have tea, eat something light and then leave. Alright, so we have ordered one masala dosa and one Mysore masala dosa, right?
Yes.
And our bikes are parked there. I'm just scared कि बच्चे लोग इसको उंगली करने दे यार. So here is our dosa. And after eating half dosa, I remember that I need to vlog. Food is very dangerous for me. Cannot control when I see food. Mysore masala dosa. Waiting for masala dosa to come. Sada masala dosa. Masala dosa. Butter masala dosa. Alright guys, a little confusion here. Is this a dinosaur or is this a duck? Or is this a duck face with mistaken long tail? Or is this a dinosaur with a mistaken duck face? Okay, so the breakfast was not so good. I mean the taste.
Right.
I didn't like the taste. Sambar was BS. The masala that came with Mysore masala dosa was BS. But the chutney was nice, naral chutney. Even you didn't. But ठीक है, we ate it. As long as we had to eat. Alright, shall we leave? निकलेंगे?
See you again.
See you again on action camera.
Right.
We'll make the payments and then we'll leave. Oh man, now I have started feeling hot. I don't know what to do. I cannot keep the visor open because too much of dust. And now the problem that we are facing is I have lost Sachin, or rather he has lost me. God knows. We cannot figure that out. I sent him my current location. That did not work. Now I have sent him my live location. Let's see if he can find me. Till then, I'm running out of fuel. I need to fill my tank. It still shows me 110 kilometers to go. And these trucks have started again. Oh my god, really this is killing. Toll Plaza, 1 kilometer, cool. Oh, petrol pump, finally. La 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 la. La 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 la. And I'll do one thing. I'll fill petrol and I'll wait for Sachin here and I'll wash my face and I'll do all that. Where? Oh, that side. By full. बस बस भाई ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा. लाइव लोकेशन भेजिए. कहाँ पहुँचा? आजा, वेट कर रहा हूँ. आजा आजा, तू भी पेट्रोल फुल कर दे वन टाइम, फिर रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा किसी को. भैया 1 2 3. I'll wait for him here. Alright, finally Sachin is here. We had some jeera soda, washed our face, really feeling hot, and we'll be leaving now. We took a 10 minutes break, but again, looking at the scenario, just look at the road, just look at the trucks. Bloody hell. And even Sachin was frustrated. So hot and blah blah blah. And I told him, yeah, just wait to see my vlogs, you'll know. Anyways. Yeah, Navsari. Navsari is about 70 kilometers. From there we have to take a turn. We are not going via Mumbai this time. We are taking another route via Nasik. And I know Sachin will not be able to take this traffic. He is going to filter it like mad. And I'm going to go easy. I don't ride like that anymore now. Okay, so if you go straight, this will lead you to Mumbai. So before we used to go Mumbai, Thane, Panvel, and then Pune. But now we are going via Nasik. So we'll go down and take a left turn from here. What the hell? I can't see the time. Alright, so far the roads are very good. I did not expect roads like these. Awesome road, awesome route, no traffic, fresh air, no pollution, no dust. Wow. Sachin and I were talking and he has never been through this route. And even he was saying that the roads are nice, man, comparatively to the routes that we go via Mumbai. We thought that even if this route is longer by some kilometers, not a problem as long as there is no traffic. No traffic means less frustration. We won't have the urge to ride fast and reach fast and, you know, nightfall and all that tension. Alright, we took a turn from Navsari and right now we have taken a stop at Rankua for sugarcane juice. Me and Sachin both were thirsty, so we saw this fellow and we stopped. And if you remember, I was thirsty 2 days back. I wanted sugarcane juice. Finally, I got it here. So I'm having 2 glasses of sugarcane juice. Anyway, so far roads are nice. So far so good. What else? The navigation showing us 8 hours to reach. Let's see how long do we take to reach there. But yeah, we are enjoying the ride and happy. So yeah, I'll catch you guys ahead. We have driven inside 50 kilometers. Awesome routes, bhai. Awesome routes. Sachin is moving his head means he is listening to Punjabi songs. So we have come in 100 kilometers since we took that turn and the roads are still nice. The view is nice. It's not hot over here. Don't feel that hot. But one problem, jumpers. You see so many jumpers. I guess after every half a kilometer there's one jumper. so that people don't speed up, I guess. Okay, so we have taken a break over here. Let me show you. This is where we have taken a break for chai. But let me show you over here. Check this out. Oh man. What do you think, guys? Awesome. And there are bikes. Man, this trip is superb. हाँ सचिन, ये ट्रिप वर्थ है यार. मस्त है. वो रूट से तो अच्छा है मुंबई रूट से. 100 गुना वर्थ है यार. मस्त है. चाय है क्या भाई? पूछा? तो पूछना बना के देगा क्या कम शक्कर वाला? एकदम कड़क मस्त भैया. ऐसा भी कड़क नहीं. चलो, now we have changed the bike. Sachin is on my KTM and I am riding his speed नहीं, Scrambler 400X. चलो, I'm new to this bike. I'll take it easy. Won't take any risk. The bike is smooth and nice. The gear shiftings are smooth. The pickup is awesome. But still, I'll first have to get my hands on it to get a gist of what this bike is. I also have to check the brakes. Let me check the brakes. Oh, brakes are awesome. Just the feeling of gripping the tank is different. But then that's okay. Let's enjoy this ride and enjoy the view and enjoy this bike, since I've got a chance to ride it. And I cannot see the Google Maps, neither can I hear any songs because there's no connection here. Vodafone. Oh yeah, by the way, the time is 4:17. Saddling on this bike is much more easier than KTM. Now that is what I feel. If anyone has a KTM and has ridden a Scrambler 400X from Triumph, and if they too feel the same, let me know. Comment and let me know, guys. What do you guys feel? Brakes are awesome, yaar. Oh, ho, ho, ho. The only thing I find difficult in this bike is the cockpit. I have to look down to see what gear, fuel, whatever it is. We just took a break to take few photos over here. Now we're all set to get back on road. Nasik, 80 kilometers from here. What a view, man. Awesome. And what a feeling. I wish I could take my bike there. Which city are we crossing? I don't know. But we are crossing some city. Okay, so we have stopped somewhere at Hotel Shivansh. भाई ये कौन सी जगह एरिया? पीपल गांव करके पहुंचे हैं होटल शिवांश. यहाँ पे रुके हैं. Actually lunch खा रहे, but it's 5 o'clock and we having lunch. But we were not hungry. Now we are hungry, so we took a stop. Break statue, गणपति बाप्पा मोरया. Waiting for our food to come. बैंगन की सब्जी. और तूने क्या ऑर्डर किया भाई?
Some Maharashtrian dish.
Maharashtrian dish ना, मैंने भी वही बोल के ऑर्डर किया. Maharashtrian dish ही सही है. So both of us decided to order something Maharashtrian food, Maharashtrian style बोले तो. मैंने तो बैंगन किया because I love brinjal. और इसने भी कुछ किया, नाम नहीं पता, मेरे को भी नहीं पता. सादा, मेरे को सादा खाना चलेगा. रोटी. अरे सब्जी किधर है? सब्जी का फोटो हम निकालेंगे भाई. आया, ये सचिन.
This is something.
Okay.
Which we don't know what is the name of.
Okay, and
This is also something.
this is bangan. Chalo, let's eat and see how does it taste. Yeah,
Let's
ready?
start.
Okay,
Ready to eat.
ready. Yeah, finally reached Pune. Yes, tired. You can see this. Really tired. It started raining in between, which we did not like, but then it stopped. And hope it does not rain tomorrow. Not in Pune, not in Goa. Okay, so that's that. And what else? Yeah, rest all the travel was good. We took a lot of stops. We reached at 11 o'clock, and we took a lot of stops just felt like taking stop, so we took. And of course, we also took a stop because it was raining. I couldn't remove more videos on my action camera because I kept my action camera in the bag. I was scared that it would. Of course, it is not going to be waterproof because the lid was not there, and I forgot the lid at home. So I had to remove it from my helmet and keep it in the bag. And then I did not bother to bring it out again. So I had plans to make videos while driving in Pune for night videos, but I couldn't do that. So yeah, that's fine. Rest all whatever videos we made, I've uploaded, and I hope you guys are going to like that part of the video. And yeah, we all are tired, going to sleep now. We'll end this vlog here. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the new vlog. That's going to be from Pune to Goa. Excited for that. So yeah, that's all for today. You guys take care, and remember one thing, it's your life, live it right, live it your way. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.